Alright, welcome to Clallam, Washington, if that's how you pronounce it. Little seaside beach town. What up, kid? There it is. There's the beach. Maybe we should take the bike along the beach. Oh man, what a day! So that's definitely Vancouver Island then, up there. Which is Canada. Sikiu. So this little town called Sikiu, and then right after that is my turn off for Lake Ozette. What a beautiful place. Olympic National Park. Lake Ozette Coastal Trails. Left half a mile. Woohoo! That's me. Lake Ozette, Lake Ozette, Lake Ozette, Lake Ozette. Whoop, 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 whoop. Here's me. No one coming? Okay. Now, they said none of these corners are marked, so I don't really get any warning if it's going to be a super sharp corner, so if it's blind I have to take it pretty carefully. Whoa, look at all the slide that happened. Wow. So the road is just meandering beside this little river that's also meandering. And they meandered together into the forest. Probably towards the lake, actually. So that makes sense. People actually live out here. I don't like the sun in my face. Can't see shit. Sun's in my face, guys. Can't see anything. Also, the damp road is not ideal. There's a lot of factors that mean I should really take it easy right now. But come on, guys. Look at this road. What do you want from me? Woohoo! God damn, this thing is amazing. think there's like 15 more miles of this too. I'm only like a quarter of the way in. Oh yeah. God damn. This is probably up there with the best riding I've had in this state. Hurricane Ridge is also phenomenal just because of the views. Not so good from the traffic perspective, but the views and the road are just incredible. And the North Cascades Highway is also most excellent, but also plagued with traffic. So in terms of roads, where you have awesome riding and no traffic, this definitely takes the cake for me so far. Of course, I've yet to explore a lot of places, but man, if you're in Washington, come check this shit out. Oh man, with that soft suspension it feels a little unstable. Not ideal. Just making sure my luggage is all still attached. Got a bit bouncy there. Alright, so mental note, don't try and do speed runs on rough road like this. Swan Bay, huh? Wonder if that's on the lake. Maybe I should go check that out on the way back. Right now I'm just trying to get to the campsite. It's already 3, shit. Just trying to get to the campsite and I'll get my campsite all set up and then I'm gonna go for a walk down to the beach. Well, there's the lake. There she is. Probably can't see it on camera because it's just through the trees there, but driving along the lake right now. Wow. So apparently there's a bunch of campsites around the lake, and it's a fucking huge lake, but anyway, there's a bunch of campsites around the lake, but the only way to get to them is via boat. So if you go there, it's almost guaranteed to be empty. Even in summer, like, there's just not that many people who would be dedicated enough to take a boat camping, so you can just have your own private, like, slice of paradise, basically. Camp out on the side of a freaking lake. Gorgeous. Huh. Weird. Alright, I figured I'd give you guys a quick tour of my campsite. There's the bike up on our center stand. I did actually drop it in the dirt over there. It was way more slippery than I expected. But all I did was put a bit of dirt on there and some dirt on there. The rest of the bike is totally fine. I smashed up this case, unfortunately, so this took the brunt of the fall. So I'll have to replace that, but I can just put a strap around it and get home no problem, so not too worried about that. I'm just about to start cooking dinner. Got a cooker in there, and then this is what I'm going to be cooking. Got some pasta and stuff, and obviously got my tent set up. The old cooker going. Making some pasta. Check out my my spice rack. It's pretty sweet. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, thyme, and cayenne.